Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Leon coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, September 28th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 65 degrees. We are expecting a high of 79 and a low of 59 with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us and sing our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Megan, Maya, Rohan, Fernanda. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the playoff-bound Cubs won against the Pittsburgh Pirates with a score of 4-0. The White Sox lost to the New York Yankees by a score of 6-1. And the Bears lost to the Seattle Seahawks with an embarrassing score of 26-0. There is only one club meeting today, Hoover Harmonics in the music room after school. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that the mandrill baboon is the largest of all monkeys? The mandrill baboon has a red nose and blue cheeks. They are shy and reclusive primates that live only in the rainforests of Africa near the equator. A good example of the mandrill baboon is Rafiki from The Lion King. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 4th graders in room 213. Have a math-tastic Monday.